Hello, magandang buhay everyone. It's Mom Gil's guidance and real talk, mental health tips, prioritizing your well-being. Today is Friday, so feel good Friday, digital detox for your mind. Hello everyone. Kumusta ang screen time mo today? Feeling mo ba minsan mas drain ka pa pagkatapos mag-scroll kaysa bago ka mag-umpisa? Mom Gail says, drain from screen time? Let's be real. Technology help us connect, learn, and even relax. But for many, especially dito sa Pinas, where we are one of the most active social media users globally, it can also be a source of stress, comparison, and even anxiety. Psychological insight, the double edged sword of a digital life. Do you know? Research from the Philippines, especially studies on college students, shows that internet use has a double edged impact on mental health. While it offers social support, excessive engagement, especially on platforms like Facebook, can lead to increased digital stress and even poorer well being. Cite Taylor and Francis Online Frontier Studies on Filipino University students. So, your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. This is from a known author. So, let's plant some mental health flowers today. So, for your daily challenge and actionable steps, no screen time zone. Choose 1 hour before bedtime or after waking up and make it a no screen zone. Read a book, talk to a loved one, or simply enjoy a quiet. Your digital devices are tool, not your master. Take control of your screen time to protect your peace. It's okay to disconnect, to reconnect with yourself, with nature, and with people truly around you. Mental health is your wealth. Mom Guilds say share this with someone who needs a digital break and follow for more guidance and real talk from Mom Guilds.